After our inspections and benchmarking of the Patriot Supersonic Rage Pro 512GB, this USB flash drive is truly in a league of its own, with performance numbers that were heads and shoulders above its competition. In our benchmarks, the Supersonic Rage Pro provided us with write results that were better than the competition's read numbers, which is a feat on its own. This was something I asked for previously in our review of the Patriot Supersonic Rage 2 256GB, and thankfully this is what Patriot has delivered on. With a durable aluminum body, slim profile, and an activity LED, there is little to complain about with the Supersonic Rage Pro 512GB. Its cap design may result in people losing the cover, but this is just something users will have to be conscientious of. In reality, the only thing that may cause people to think twice is the price of the Supersonic Rage Pro 512GB. Retailing at about $100 US, this thumb drive is a premium product. Conversely, this is less than half the cost of the aforementioned Rage 2 when it was released, while also delivering double the capacity, which is just a testament of how much more affordable these flash drives have become. As such, if you are in need of a speedy and portable storage option with a 5-year warranty, then the Patriot Supersonic Rage Pro 512GB is an excellent option for you.
The full review is linked in the video description below.